Today I'm super excited to be showing you a CFexpress Type A card that's affordable and doesn't cost like half a camera. And if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe for more unboxings like this. This is the Pergear CFexpress Type A, and it is a 260 gig variant for only $189. They also have an 80 gig for $99 and 520 gig for $359. And wow, CFexpress Type A cards have finally come a long way. It took about a week to get this from Pergear's website, and the ordering process was super smooth. It has an advertised speed a little faster than the Pro grade cards with a burst speed over 800, but only able to sustain the write speeds to 400 after a period of time. It seems to be on par or better than the Pro grades in regular use. But these cards are blazing fast and open up all the recording options on your Sony camera. If you are interested in finally trying out the CFexpress Type A, or like me and finally able to get some larger storage options for your camera, use the links down below. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content.